Hi Sydney. So hopefully this video helps you a little bit better than my typed out instructions. By now you've gotten the email with the STL file. So to open the STL file, you have to go to add models here or here. You just click once and then go select the brain. So I think I either sent you brain LH or RH. Either one is fine. So I'm going to click RH and so it loads. So you see here that it's a bit too big. So what I want you to do is go to the right hand side here, and where it says scale, I want you to click on scale, and where it says millimeters, right where the X is, just type 40 and hit enter. It should shrink, and you can move it into the middle with your mouse, and so now it's perfect. But one thing I want you to do is go to print settings and then go all the way down to support type and make sure breakaway PLA support is set up. That way when it prints, your brain won't fall over. It'll have a support for the brain. And then at the bottom, your printer should, so since I don't have a printer here, it's not reading, but it should say either Dr. Davis or I think MSU FACS for the other one. And then instead of export, this will say print and just hit print. You should be on the one printer that's closest to the door because both printers are plugged into that one. So hopefully this helps.